The unfolding universe of scientific potential. What if the next groundbreaking discovery is just one experiment away? What if the solution to our biggest challenges lies within the very questions we dare to ask? Science begins with a spark, a question, an observation, a nagging feeling that there's more to understand. It's the relentless pursuit of truth, driven by an insatiable curiosity. Embrace that spark. Never let the fear of failure extinguish your passion. Every experiment, successful or not, is a step forward. It's a data point, a lesson learned, a new avenue to explore. Remember the giants on whose shoulders we stand. Their dedication, their perseverance, their unwavering belief in the power of knowledge paved the way for us. The path of scientific research is rarely linear. It's a labyrinth of dead ends, unexpected detours, and moments of profound frustration. But within that complexity lies the beauty of discovery. Collaboration is key. Share your ideas, seek feedback, and build bridges with colleagues across disciplines. The most significant breakthroughs often arise from the intersection of different perspectives. Embrace the unknown. Don't be afraid to challenge conventional wisdom or question established theories. It's in those moments of doubt that true innovation takes root. With great power comes great responsibility. As scientists, we must always be mindful of the ethical implications of our work. Our discoveries have the potential to shape the future, and we must wield that power with wisdom and integrity. Consider the impact of your research on society, on the environment, and on future generations. Strive to use your knowledge to create a better world for all. Transparency and open communication are essential. Share your findings openly and honestly, and engage in constructive dialogue with the public. Science is not a solitary pursuit. It's a symphony of innovation, a collective effort to unravel the mysteries of the universe. Each instrument plays a vital role, contributing to the overall harmony. Your unique skills, your individual perspective, your unwavering dedication are all essential to the success of this grand endeavor. Embrace your role and play your part with passion and purpose. Remember that even the smallest contribution can have a ripple effect, inspiring others and sparking new waves of discovery. The world needs your brilliance, your dedication, and your unwavering commitment to scientific progress. Don't let your potential remain untapped. Embrace the challenges ahead, push the boundaries of knowledge, and strive to make a lasting impact on the world. The future of science, and indeed the future of humanity, depends on it.